guys, so I have my grocery haul for you. I just got a few things this week. I did a bigger grocery haul last week, but I didn't film it. So this week we only need a few things. But at Walmart, I got a gallon of 1% milk, some romaine lettuce, a pack of bananas, some bologna. I got some plums. Trevor needed a new pillow. And I got some of like the Walmart brand Lysol. And then just a planner. I don't do the fancy planner thing. I just use these to keep track of daycare stuff, like my... Alright, sorry, I had to switch batteries because my other one died. But anyways, I just use this to keep track of my daycare schedule, and so I just buy like the regular Walmart ones. But that is what I got from Walmart, and I will show you what I got from Aldi. Okay, so from Aldi, all I got was 3 things of frozen apple juice, a pack of sausage, Trevor likes that now, some mac and cheese cups, some frozen broccoli, a cucumber, 2 things of blueberries, some skim milk, and some ready to serve rice. So that is my little grocery haul for this week. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!